This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
And good Wednesday morning. Time now is 4:46. Heat advisory is up still from the National Weather Service. They have taken down and canceled the extreme heat warnings. So the worst of the heat is behind us, but we got one more final day of this really high heat out there. Heat advisory is more for what will feel like around 100 degrees or a little bit more. We're not going to be dealing with actual air temperature around 100 degrees. It's the humidity that will be more noticeable out there for today. Westfield not looking too good there, but Chicopee, we got a mostly clear sky out there this morning. So breeze continues right out of the north and east, or excuse me, north and west. We're going to be staying nice and light with the wind through much of the day. Temperature for now 71 in Westfield, 73 Northampton, 74 in Greenfield, and dew points are right around 70 as well. Today will be another very humid day. I do expect many of us to be dealing with dew points in the mid to upper 70s. Heat index forecast here by later this afternoon, and this is why we still have the heat advisory, is because many of us here in the valley will feel like we're around 100 degrees still. So air temperature will be more towards the low to mid 90s. Meanwhile, you factor in the humidity, we will feel like we're close to around 100 degrees once again today. So not as hot overall. We're not talking about the triple-digit temperatures like we saw yesterday, but still very warm. Again, low to mid-90s for the actual air temperature as we go towards this afternoon. And it is the last day of this really high heat because we have a really nice cool down coming in for the day tomorrow. Back to the 70s. Some showers are possible for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then going into the weekend, we look drier for the day on Sunday. So for right now, completely dry out there, and taking a wider view on clouds of radar, most of the region looks fine. As we go throughout the day, today overall will be mostly dry. I can't rule out the chance of maybe a very isolated pop-up shower come this afternoon, but the majority of us, it looks to be nice out there. 7 a.m. towards 9 a.m. going into the afternoon, 12 o'clock looking good. I'll call it a sun and cloud mix. And then notice as we go towards around 3 p.m. or so, a few passing sprinkles. Many of us, as I mentioned, likely don't see much of anything at all. But if you see a passing showers expected, this is part of a weak cold front that comes through. It knocks the humidity out of here and the heat, and it sets us up for some really nice cooler weather over the next few days. The record high temperature for today is 96 degrees, set back on June 25th of 1943. We could get very close to that, if not break it. We are forecasting 92 to 96. Can't rule it out that someone could maybe touch 97, 98. We will not be touching the triple digits today, but it could feel like it when you factor in the humidity. So definitely something to watch. Still use a lot of extra caution being outdoors. But the good news is if you're not a fan of the heat, this is the back end of this heat wave. We'll have a lot of nice, cooler, drier air coming in for tomorrow. 62 to 68, partly cloudy tonight for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast. Back to the 70s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then we do slightly warm things back up into the 80s to around 90 as we go towards the beginning of next week. Want to check out our latest forecast? You can do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.